guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited to be filming today's video. Excited and nervous because this is something that you guys have been requesting a lot, and that is how I curl my hair with the straightener and how I do those beachy waves that I have to do. And nervous because I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I just chopped my hair like 2.5 or 3 inches and I don't know how to work with it. I know how to curl it. I have never curled short hair, but the technique is same, so I'm hoping that it's gonna be okay, and I just hope that you guys are able to understand what I'm trying to tell. And okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section it just right above my ear, right now, just an inch above my ear. I'm gonna tie that because my hair is short, so it'll be very difficult to section it. But we're gonna work. We're gonna work it through. So don't worry, don't panic. I'm sorry if I'm looking into that direction more because there's a bigger mirror there and I can see more properly what I'm doing, and I'm also able to see what I'm recording. So yeah. So I'm gonna start in front and I'm gonna try and show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so you take your straightener like this and you turn it once and you get this loose curl. This is actually like a tighter curl. You don't want to do it that tight, but because my hair is so soft, I know it is gonna open, so initially it's fine. So let's do the same thing again. Hold your straightener up like this and you want to twist it once around your hair and yes, loose waves. And we're gonna try and alternate the directions. I did not alternate in this one. Now we're gonna curl it forward so that it doesn't become like one big curl. I'm gonna pull a few more strands. So funny, I barely know what I'm doing and I'm doing a tutorial. No, it's my hair care routine. It's my hair curling routine. I'm just trying to help some friends out, so we are not calling it a tutorial, guys, because as you can clearly tell, I don't know what I'm doing. This hair is so short, so it's very difficult. Maybe one day in a vlog I'll show you how to do this on somebody else's hair. Then it'll be easy. I'll grab Nishtha or Komal probably. As you can see, this is done. Now we're gonna let our hair loose and start on the top. Okay, first I need to see what parting that I want. Okay, so now we're gonna start from here. I start from anywhere, basically, it doesn't matter. So just make sure the front pieces of your hair, when you're doing it, they're gonna face backwards, because you don't want your front curl to be facing like this in front, because then your face will be more visible and that won't even look flattering. So yes, that is more like the kind of curl I like. So because my hair is short and I like beachy waves, I don't do each and every piece of hair that I have. I don't curl each and every piece of hair that I have, because then it'll just become too big and I can't handle big hair. Oh my god, I love this. It looks so cute. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing to this side. if you have very thick hair, then you should section it. You should do 3 sections of your hair. Even I should do 3 sections of my hair, because I'm too lazy and I don't like that very neat look. So if you're going for the kind of look that I am, then just play around, mess with it. And obviously you're not gonna learn it at once. It's gonna take a few tries. Okay, honestly, it's gonna take you more than a few tries, but the outcome, but once you get a hang of it, it's an easy skill to learn. Okay, now when I think I'm mostly done, I'm just gonna run my fingers through it and see if there are any super stock straight sections. I think I could use by curling this bit one more time. I mean, yeah, it's fine. Okay guys, so this is the final outcome of that messy tutorial, honestly. But I hope you guys understood the way I curl my hair. It's very messy. I like it to be like free and just very natural, and I love that textured messy weave to it. I'm loving my short hair now. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of hating it when it was just straightened, and I think I'm gonna be rocking this a little curl look a lot more now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys learned something. And yes, I'm gonna see you guys again soon with another exciting video.